Yeah, it's kind
She's
of hard. It's not
eating.
breaking.
Maybe the another way. Oh,
I told you to that side.
what you ate, Ash? What you gonna eat?
Nothing.
Peeling off first the thing.
Okay, can we put the shells on here?
Yeah, the shell, yeah.
Oh my god.
And then make sure you don't spill it. Eating balut. Balut, balut. We got the sauce.
Oh my god.
Like anyway, the vinegar
Get
and
off.
salt.
Don't put this on Facebook right now. Because you're like interviewing it. Wow, daughters try balut for the first time. So kawaii. Kawaii. I can't get that one piece off. It's like hard.
Just
Poke it.
Yeah,
Poke it.
so your sister gonna go first. Look at that. Oh, got juice
Can't even
in
see it.
I think I tried.
I regret
Where
this
is
is my whole life.
Hang on, where is
I
it?
poured in.
No. Okay,
This is
get some
not.
tissue. Hang on.
Okay.
Ano, get some vinegar. Do you want some spicy
I'll just put the juice in.
juice? Spicy?
Wait.
This one, the spicy one. You want that one or that? Just yeah.
Put in.
Just pour it in.
How do I?
Ah, don't spill it because got some juice.
Of course.
Okay, just sip it now. You gotta be nice. Do you want some vinegar or the spicy?
I'll try it myself first.
Just suck it like that. Like
Why tastes like just tastes like some like chicken.
some duck.
I know it's not, but similar. They're both
Like
birds.
chicken, like with what? With
It's like tastes like bird.
oh my god. Yeah, try it now. You get the yellow one, get
It's not
more
that much
deeper.
juice in it.
No, get more deeper. Hang on.
We put the eggshell. I mean, the
No, like that, more deeper. So you can get the juice. Okay.
video
Okay, go.
action's face.
Go, sip it. Sip it, Nak. Don't
it on
spill
the
in
other
your
side.
leg. Oh, goodness me. Okay, go. No, you're gonna spill in the floor. Oh my god. Okay, go.
It's not good.
But just only an egg. Don't swallow all of it. Just sip it. No. Go. Oh,
Ew,
nice. How about with vinegar? This one. Do some this. Huh?
Okay, I'm done with the juice. I don't
Okay. How about Sammy next? You, Sammy? You
No,
gonna next?
no, no.
You wanna?
no.
I'm
No?
trying to explain it.
Just sip it. Don't get the yellow one. Nak. Hold it. I'm gonna give you a yellow one.
Can we just get the egg?
Eggshell.
I mean, like.
Just on the spoon.
If it was alive.
Okay. Try this. Do you want some with vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that?
Vinegar, chili.
What's inside
Like
of it?
this, chili.
Yeah.
Like that, sauce. You see? No, you're gonna eat all of it, right? It's not a prank. It's not like yucky for her. Okay, get it. Do you want finish it? Yum?
Yeah.
See, when you try the yellow, it's like an egg, but with feathers.
What's that?
With feathers. You didn't have to add that part, you know.
Yeah, that's balut. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Get some sauce. Oh. Sammy, how about you, Nak? We got another one here. This one for Sam. Do you want it?
I guess.
Try sip. What's the point enough? You okay?
Spoonie. Do we use this?
Hang on. Okay, Ashley like it. Give me a thumb up, Nak.
Use the other one.
Nak, thumbs up. Thumb up for Ashley.
This is
Balot.
awkward. Anyways,
Okay.
use this one.
Why?
Okay.
Why